Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making shrimps today. I got some fresh shrimps. This is jumbo shrimps, and I'm gonna be making it with green beans. Green peas. So I got 4 cans of green peas, and I have like a cooking oil. And this is Goya, and I love cooking with this though. I love sazon so much. Sazon is one of my favorite seasons to cook with. When you cook with sazon, sazon give you that kind of red tomato flavor to it. It will make the food look red, like if you put tomato to it. Because I don't want to put no tomato. I just love the sazon season. And I need 2 onions and my season. I have my garlic powder and my chicken powder. My favorite chicken powders. And it is very good, very cheap. And it don't cost nothing, but it is good. And I have 2 Maggi cube. So I'm gonna use 2 for now. It depends. I'm gonna taste my food how it tastes like. If it tastes good, I don't need more season. But if it don't taste good, I will add more season. When you're cooking, you always build your flavors. You always do that. So let's start cooking. So I already washed my shrimps. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some seasoning to it. My chicken season. I'm gonna I'm gonna add my chicken season, and I'm gonna use some garlic powder to it too, and I'm gonna mix it very well. Okay, so I'm gonna mix them very well with my spoon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start frying my onions. Okay, so I'm already seasoned these, and I'm gonna peel the onions and cut them a little cube. So before I finish peeling the onions, by then the shrimps will be well seasoned by then. Okay, this is jumbo shrimps, very big. So I'm gonna put this on the side. By then it's getting seasoned, and I'm gonna fill my 2 onions, and we're gonna start cooking. All right, let's start it. So I already put the cooking oil on it, and already cut the 2 onions, seasoned the shrimps and my 2 season, and those the Goya, like the way I showed you guys before. And the peas, I already washed my peas very well. This is my peas. Okay, so I already washed my peas very well. You need to wash your peas. Okay, right now. So the oil is hot. Like if you want to know the oil is hot, just put one onions on the oil, and you're gonna know if it's hot. So you see it's boiling, so that means I need to add my onions. For 1 minute, please. All right, so I'm gonna add the 2 sazon and my season, and my garlic powder too. You see what I'm saying? Like the sazon will give you that red tomato flavor. I mean that tomato's texture. You see, nice and red. I did not add no tomatoes. Sazon is very good. I love the taste of sazon. Like sometimes any stew, if I'm cooking a stew, I always add sazon. You can add tomato cooking the stew, but sazon is very good. Sazon always give you that red kind of flavor you're looking for. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to it because you want your onions to cook, okay? So I'm gonna add some water to it. Not that much, a little tiny bit because I want my onions to cook, okay? And I'm gonna add my Maggi. I'm gonna add one Maggi first and taste it because when you cook it, you're supposed to make sure you try the food first before you add it so much season because I already used that one season before. So before I'm gonna add more. Like the shrimps, when you cooking the shrimps, you need to let the onions fry completely before you add the shrimp. Because shrimps, to cook the shrimps is very easy. When you put the shrimps, like it will not even be like 5 minutes it will be cooked. Because you don't want to overcook your shrimps, okay? And I'm gonna try the onions and it tastes good. And after when this onion finish cooking, I'm gonna add mushrooms, okay? So my onions is well cooked, like you see, nice cooked now very well. You don't see no more excess water to it. It's just like an oil, and it tastes very good. You need to try and taste it. And I season my shrimps too. So when you season, you need to season very light, okay? Like the sauce. So after when you add the shrimps, and you're gonna add the extra Maggi. I'm using two Maggi. I just use one Maggi right now and season. And why I'm taking the shrimp with my hand because the excess water under it, I don't want that excess water. Like you see that? I don't want that. So that's why I'm using my hand to take my shrimps, okay? Because if you pour all that water to it, you're gonna have some extra water and I don't need that. I don't want that. So I'm gonna, because the shrimp's gonna, after you do this, you're gonna start like a feeling of more water coming out your nose. So you don't need no extra water. Because the reason why I don't want no extra water because the shrimp's gonna cook so fast, and I don't want the sauce to be like so much water inside my sauce. I don't want it. My shrimp's looking good right now. So what I'm gonna do after my shrimp's cooked, I'm gonna remove my shrimps, and after I'm gonna cook my chickpeas inside the same pot. I'm gonna leave some extra sauce under there, like inside the pot. So after I'm gonna put my chickpeas and add some more seasoning to it. Very simple food, but very tasty, and you're gonna have like a good dinner when you do this. You can eat it with bread. Yeah, like if you want, you can fry like a plantain too. You can eat this with plantain and chickpeas. But I really prepare this with the bread. I have like a fresh bread. I'll eat it with the fresh bread. What I'm saying, you see the color is changing to pink. It's getting pinky now. When you're cooking your shrimps, when your shrimps turn pink, that means it's getting ready. You don't overcook your shrimps because if you do overcook your shrimps, it would not taste good. It would taste like a rubber. Okay? Anytime you're cooking your shrimps, when your shrimps turn pink, that means it's ready, completely pink. Okay? That means it's ready. And it smells so good. And I forget to tell you guys, I add some fresh garlic. When you add a fresh garlic, it will give you that smell, the beautiful garlic smell to it. My house smells so good. Add some garlic to it. It will give you that good kick to it. Okay, so I removed the shrimps, and I let now I had some more the half of the sauce. Sorry, and now I'm gonna add the chickpeas to that. Okay, so I'm gonna fry the chickpeas too because the chickpeas too is cooked already because it came in the can. So that means the chickpeas is cooked already. So just like you just wanna warm it up the chickpeas because it's ready cooked. You just wanna flavor it like when they have in the can, they don't have no taste to it. So you're gonna just add some good taste to it. That's all I'm doing. Okay, nothing else because it's cooked. And I'm gonna try if it's well seasoned because you know the shrimps was seasoned already, so my sauce was good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try my chickpeas and see if my chickpeas is seasoned. If it's not seasoned, I'm gonna add some season to it. That's all I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm frying my chickpeas. I'm gonna just fry it for 5 minutes. That's it, because it's cooked already. I'm just gonna add the flavor, and after I'm gonna put the shrimps back to the inside the chickpeas and mix them together. So voila, you have like a good meal to eat. Okay then, so already you see like this, the little excess water inside this too is no more. So I'm gonna add the shrimps back to the chickpeas, okay? The reason why I'm doing this because you want the chickpeas and the shrimps to have like the same flavor. I did not add no season to it. The reason why I did that too because I don't want to over flavor my food. So when I mix them together, and I'm gonna try it now. If it still needs season, now I'm gonna add an extra season to it. Because if you don't do that, you're gonna over season your food. It will not taste good. Okay. So this is chickpeas and shrimps. Very delicious. Trust me. You try this. You will love it. Beautiful dinner. Like if you want to invite people home to come and eat, you can make a simple dishes like this. You can even do much, and you got a good food. When they try it, they're all gonna eat good, and you just make sure you bring like a nice bread, like a side, and you can make a little side dishes. But this is very tasty. If you serve anybody with these kind of good dishes, they will love it. Trust me. All right, so let me try it, and if I need a season, I'm gonna add more season. If I don't, I will not add more. Oh, sorry about the little noise. My husband was vacuuming the house, and I forget I just started making my video. Okay, so this is the final product, and I try it. Is very good. That's it. And this is my plate. This is how it look like. And if you serve anybody with this kind of plate, trust me, they will love it. And you put a little bit of bread on the side. If you want, you can fry plantain and put plantain in the side. Very tasty. Thank you for watching our cuisine and love you guys so much. See you guys next time. Please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. The more subscribe I have, the more video I'm going to be making. Love you so much. Bye.